I was walking along on a Sunday night, wondering if 6F would be alright. After the shrapnel reshapes the sky and the pavement along divides and divides, divides and divides. Life's like a swinging vine, ain't the silence of the world so divine? 'Cause our lives ain't bigger twice than the bombs that fall out the sky. How is it that our love can be intertwined when everything that's outside seems so hostile and foreign to human life? I'm just glad I'm alive to call you mine. Swinging from vine to vine, ain't the silence of the world so divine? 'Cause our lives ain't bigger twice than the bombs that fall out the sky. Pieces of us all over the street, the manure runs up from my feet. Human fear just can't compete with the silence. Nothingness complete. So when I see him hanging from the screen, the atom bomb goes off in my dreams. If we sowed the blind to see the universe is gentle, indifference we would reap. So as the 20-pound bombs are floated across the sea, will you remember the dead buried in me? 'Cause the riot squads claim the highest crown, and the newspaper stand is closing down. And I'm thinking of getting my love out this town before the bombs abound are bigger than 20 pounds.